In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for an email by date in Outlook using multiple methods. Navigating through emails can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're looking for that one specific message tucked away amidst countless others. Let me guide you through a series of simple steps to efficiently locate any email according to the date it was sent or received. To begin, we'll first need to access the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll want to click the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen, making it easy to locate. Enter your login details, your email address and password on the Sign In page. Once you've filled in your credentials, click the Next button to proceed. This will take you to your Outlook dashboard. Now, you're in. Let's focus our attention on the top corner of the screen where you'll find the search bar. It's a powerful tool designed to refine and enhance your search capabilities within Outlook. If you're looking to search specific folders, you can do so on the left. However, for the most time-efficient method, we'll be using the options provided on the right corner of the search bar. Here, you'll notice a 3-line filter icon. Clicking on this icon will open a menu that allows you to tailor your search. Among the options to refine your search by subject, sender, and other criteria, you'll find the feature we're focusing on today, the date. Indicate the specific date of the email you wish to find. Whether it's a recent message from earlier this week or something from a few months back, you can specify the exact date range or even search emails from a particular day. Once you've entered the relevant details, simply click Search just below these options. Outlook will work its magic, scanning through your mailbox to swiftly locate emails sent or received on the specified date. And there you have it, a straightforward method to efficiently organize and access your communications. By refining your searches, you can navigate through volumes of messages with precision and ease, ensuring you never miss a beat. This feature is especially handy for locating critical information buried in long email threads, or if you need to reference a specific correspondence quickly. Remember, mastering these features will not only enhance your productivity, but also save you valuable time that you can channel into more creative or important tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.